In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier Chatbot Transcripts with 7,000 apps in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through this process step by step, and by the end of the video, you'll have a seamless integration set up, ready to enhance your workflow efficiency. First, navigate to the Zapier website on your browser. Zapier is an incredibly versatile platform that allows you to automate processes by connecting different apps. Once you've arrived at the homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. This will prompt a window where you have multiple sign-in options. For ease and convenience, log in using your Google account. This way you can quickly and securely access Zapier services without needing to enter additional details. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zapier home screen. This is your gateway to creating new integrations, known as Zaps. The next step is to create a new Zap, which is the magic link between your chatbot and the apps. Click on the Create button. This initiates the Zap creation process where you define how your automation is going to work. From here, click on Zaps to begin setting up your new automation. The first thing you need to do is select a trigger. A trigger is an event that starts the Zap. Click on Trigger and search for the Chatbots option. By choosing this, you signal that you want this Zap to begin whenever there's new activity in your chatbot. Next, you need to specify an event. Click on Chatbot Conversation Completed. This means every time a conversation finishes in your chatbot, it will trigger the next steps in your automation. Before proceeding, click Test to ensure everything is set up correctly so far. This will help you avoid any issues later on. Now, it's time to define what action should take place after the trigger. Click on the Action option. This opens up a list of possible actions you can automate. Select tables as your action point to manage data efficiently. You'll then choose the event type, so go ahead and click on Create Record. This action will facilitate capturing the completed chatbot conversation details to a database table or app of choice. Again, test this setup to confirm everything runs smoothly. To add additional steps, click on the plus sign to incorporate another layer of automation. Search for Slack, a popular app for team communication, and choose an event related to Slack. You'll then want to scroll down and select Send Channel Message. This setting will allow your Zap to send a message to a designated Slack channel each time a chatbot conversation is completed. After confirming your Slack account connection, hit Test to make sure the message sends correctly. Finally, wrap up your setup by clicking Publish. Publishing will make your Zap live, meaning it will start working automatically, linking your chatbot transcripts with your chosen apps without any manual effort. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to connect Zapier Chatbot Transcripts with 7,000 apps, streamlining your processes and saving you time. Feel free to revisit any part of this video if you need additional guidance. Happy automating!